everyone. Shannon Smith. Just thought I'd touch base with you a bit about what we're coming out to you now on this Successor Director, and what do we really mean by the Successor Director. And I guess what we're looking at, and we've seen a lot of these types of issues coming up a bit with COVID, but I'd say even well before COVID. I've had a really strong focus over the last be 18 months, 2 years. I have got my accreditation in estate planning, and I'm actually part of one of the succession planning founding members, I guess, of an association that's focusing on these types of areas for clients. Because what I'm actually seeing is that so many people don't keep up to date with their estate planning. When someone passes away, we have challenge after challenge, and it all ends up in the courts. And at the end of the day, no one wins, because the estate, the lawyers are all paid by the estate. So it kind of only the lawyers win. And so it's been a real focus of mine on asset protection and estate planning. And the Successor Director is basically no exception. It's actually quite a simple option for a lot of you, and it's a cost-effective option as well. So we go through and we actually have prepare a resolution that basically says if something was to happen to you as one of the directors of the company, that this is the Successor Director. So you've nominated a person who would instantly have the ability to become the director. We can notify ASIC, and off you go from a company perspective. Now, what it means is it's not about just trading the business, but what about who can authorize to pay the bills, but also just even for your family. Once this type of situation happens with a company, how do you actually progress forward? How do you get the money from an estate perspective? So it's really quite a simple option. It's something that we can organise for you, and we just charge per company. We use basically the back end of then the law firm who actually assist in preparing the documents. So we fill in the information for you. We get that all done, and we can get that signed. So it's just to have that option available to you, and really just to help protect your assets, which is something that I've become very passionate about, because I see too many times a lot of people, I guess you could even say, my age and above, with their parents passing away and not having appropriate estate planning in place, and the challenges that come with it. So hopefully, if you've got any questions, hopefully this will help you out. We will send some information out, but if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call me or any of the team, and we can just go through what the resolution is, what the purpose is, and how we can help you with it. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.